One simple thing. Thanks for joining me for this fun series to kind of relax us and take a different look at how to build your journal, the easy way to save time and take away that stress sometimes that we feel with our journals that we're trying to create. Sometimes you run into a wall too. It's just like, oh, I just don't know what else to do. So, one simple thing today, our one simple thing is a one size rule that fixes cluttered pages. And so, we want to talk about choosing one consistent size. For example, when we made tags last Tuesday for our live, we made tags all the same size, as you can see here, and just so easy to be able to slide them into your journals. They're all the same size, and you know what to expect on your page. It takes the clutter away. You're more intentional instead of kind of across the board, like, I don't know, maybe this size, maybe that size. We'll just make them all different sizes. No, choose a size to work for your journal page, and it'll help you be calmer and feel, more at what you want it to be. So if you did something with different sizes, let's do that so you can see. So I've got a sheet of paper here. The height is about 5 inches. Just a little scrap that I've got. So we're just going to make one 4 inches, and we're going to make one 3 inches, and then we'll take this one and we'll make it 2 inches, and then we end up with a 1 inch, right? So then I have all these different sizes for my page, and it feels kind of like cluttery, doesn't it? I mean, if oh, I got this size that I like. Well, then you can cut down the pages if you want to, or the tags that you want to, or your pockets. For anything, you can do it that way. If you're going to make clusters, choose a size that you want your clusters to start at. Say you want 2-inch clusters. So do a 2-inch square or circle for all your clusters, and then build on that. Choosing a size, consistency, that does the heavy lifting for you. So I wanted to show you these tags. We did mass tag making last Tuesday, and we cut all of these out. And it was so easy because we knew what size we wanted them to be, and we just cut. Not only that, it saves time. So that's how we got 25 tags all done in just a short period of time. Now, we made these with design papers on them, on a design, but if you made them on like a plain manila paper or craft brown paper or white paper, then you could embellish them how you want. But using a consistent size, one size, just takes the clutter away and makes you feel calmer. So let the size be the decision maker for you, especially if you get stuck somewhere and you're just like, I don't know. I just don't know where to go with this. Let me show you on my journal that we're making with the Christmas card from Dollar Tree. So you can see these pages aren't embellished yet. I put this one in there just because. But if I wanted to, and I could start using all these same size tags and put them in here, and they're going to fit, and you can make your pocket or your belly band and just make them fit however you want them to. So anyway, today's one simple thing. Choose one size, the same size for one of your pieces that's going to be in your journal, and then stick with that. All right. Thanks so much for watching.